Now before I proceed, don't forget to subscribe and like. Also hit the bell button for more updates and notifications. So, let's begin. Hello guys! Welcome back! So this is the BBE line, premium line of Tolsen Part 2. So bakit Part 2? Kasi hindi lang yun ang only part, yung only BBE line natin for Tolsen. Now meron pa tayo. And these are the long nose. Mga long nose to. Nakikita niyo ba? May iba-ibang klaseng long nose. Nakaka-excite. So, first, let's start with the insulated long nose. So, bakit to long nose? Kasi ito yung standard na long nose natin na mahaba. So, this is 160 mm, 6 inches. And meron din tayo mas mahaba at mas malaki, which is the 200 mm, which is the 8 inches. So, ito yun. So, what are these one? These are all BDE and GS certificated. Yan siya. So, CRP steel siya lahat. And na-tested siya to 10,000 volts. So, di ba? Let me open. Let us unbox and wrap this one. So, ito na yung long nose natin. So, makikita mo dito yung black finish. Yan siya. So, yan. So, iba yung talaga yung color. And makikita nyo, iba yung feeling ng grip ng handle ng premium line. Again, maganda to gamitin lahat ng premium line, especially pag ang ginagamit mo dito is electrical. So, it's electrical use ang pinakamaganda to kasi nga may insulation siya. Next is the insulated round nose pliers. So, ito depende kasi kung paano mo gagamitin and para saan. So, let us open. So, sometimes kasi di ba may mga O-rings. So, pwede mo din ito gamitin, especially kapag round ang kailangan mo. So, round din ang tip. May mga times kasi nakakailanganin mo. So, it will highly depend on you. Mostly ginagamit ito lahat for mga electricals talaga. Siyempre, kapag may round nose tayo, meron tayong flat. So, open din natin ito. Now, lahat ito may warnings ha. Please read sa warnings nila. And, may mga nakasulat dito ang basic tips. So, kung ito round, ito flat. Bakit flat? Kasi sometimes flat yun lang. Ako, I needed flat dati, pero wala akong flat. So, nagtsaga ako with the long nose, pero ang hirap talaga. So, better have the flat one din. So, pag yung wire kasi sa paloob, syempre hindi natin makuha ng diretso. So, we will use the bent one. So, ito yung bent one. Ayan. So, nakikita yung different curve ko. Then, ito ay straight. So, yun ang difference nila. These are all still black finish. Yes, black finish to. Ayan. Nakikita nyo na lahat to long nose lang. Ang dami, di ba? You have the choices which one you want to use, which one you need to use. So, ayan. So, that's it for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching. That's all what I can do for you guys today. I hope na na-enjoy nyo itong video na to. I hope na may natutunan kayo sa akin. And, please look forward sa mga future videos namin and watch our previous videos for support and for knowledge about Tolsen Products. Stay tuned, guys, and I hope to see you on the next video. See you soon. Thank you so much. Bye-bye. Thank you so much for watching. If you're interested with our products, you can visit our official website at www.tolsen.com.ph. We're also available on Lazada, Shopee, and GRABMART. Or you could drop by our stores. Links are provided on the description below. Again, don't forget to subscribe. This is Pliers signing off.